Alright guys, I am super duper excited. Ligaya's here. It's her bedtime. Yep. I'm gonna be singing to her soon. But first, I have something very, very important to do right now. My boy squad, this important thing that I need to do is an AntsCanada premiere. Okay, so if you're following my Ant channel, they have this new thing that they're trying to roll out to YouTube creators called YouTube Premiere. And what it is instead of just uploading a video, you know, as you do normally on whatever schedule you do, you can schedule a premiere, which means all your subscribers can watch it all together with you at the same time, as if you're all in one movie theater and you're watching the video as if it's a movie premiere. And there's a chat at the side where people can chat while watching the video, including me. It's amazing. I love it. And people, you can, as soon as you set it, you schedule it, your subscribers get a notification, and if they want, they can just click the set reminder button and they'll get a notification when the live starts, just to remind them. It's amazing. I love this feature. I love it so much. And we're about to start in 3 minutes. Oh man, look at the chat. Seriously, I cannot properly chat with my subscribers during these things, because like I literally have to I have to click on a comment and try to stop the chat. It goes so fast. AC family, you guys are amazing. It's incredible. I've tried to look for slow chat function, but I can't find it on here. Anyways, right now 1,136 people are waiting, and we're all gonna watch the video together. The AC family from around the world. This is just incredible. I love that YouTube is doing this, and they've chosen my AntsCanada account to beta test this premiere thing that they're going to roll out for all creators soon. I personally love it. I feel like I'm in a same room with the AC family, with my subscribers, and I can see them react to certain parts of the video through the chat. So it's almost like a chat live reaction kind of thing. It's really great. And people also can donate, which is kind of nice. It's called Super Chat on YouTube. Yes! Oh man, 2 minutes! Ah! Guys, did I ever tell you how much I appreciate and love being a YouTuber? Thank you guys so much. Thank you for making this possible. I really appreciate it. 60 seconds! Ligaya, promise, I will sing to you when we're done. Ligaya's right here waiting. She's like, you have to sing to me. Don't think you're off the hook today. I know, promise, Ligaya, promise. I also love this premiere function for YouTube because I upload once a week, because I spend usually 3 or 4 days editing an AntsCanada video. And so they're essentially mini short films, you know what I mean? About ants, nature documentary about ants. Oh, the premiere is gonna begin! Ah! Oh my gosh, it's starting. OMG. I love it! See? Look at this. 2 minutes. The chat room is going crazy. 1,688 people now watching. Anyways, as I was saying, these videos are like mini movies, so this premiere function really makes it feel like a movie premiere, which is great because, I mean, I put my blood, sweat, and tears into these end videos. And I appreciate them being viewed in kind of like a nice way, right? And the AC family is so tight. It's such a great community that I love watching it together with them. Whoa! Man, this is crazy! Look at all of that ant love. AC family, you guys have so much ant love. Blows my mind. Almost 3,000 watching now. Oh boy, here we go. OMG, here we go. The countdown, it starts, and then watch. So we all watch this together. The AC family and I, who are tuned in right now. Of course, there are other parts in the world who can't tune in because of the time. But regions of in the Mystic Kingdom. I'm so excited! I can't believe I was just editing this like this morning and last night. Just crazy. Alright. Love it. See, I can read their comments. Okay, I have to go because I want to chat with the AC family.
It's a jawbreaker.
OMG, 5,000 watching! Ah! And the chat is going crazy! Yes!
But the most active nest entrances are down in the feeding pit. Check them out.
That's right, guys! I can't wait for them to see the cliffhanger of this episode.
To move in and out of various nest holes without actually being outside.
OMG, I'm feeling... I'm so excited.
It's
come down.
I see at the surface. I estimate that the ant colony has definitely doubled in size, at least. Other net.
OMG, 6,000 people now watching. Ah!
Of the net. I returned to the plateaus to check out on the jawbreaker. Ants were busy on the prowl.
I get so excited. Seriously. And I like reading the reactions at certain parts of the video. So it's good feedback for me. So I know to
the ants were still working.
Do more of that if they have a positive reaction to, you know, the humor or whatnot. It's good for me to study how they react to certain parts of the video. The AC family is so smart. Some of them have gotten the mystery correct. They know what's gonna happen.
What was inside?
You guys are so good. Almost 7,000. Woo! Oh, here's the reveal.
And at that moment, I found our missing character.
Here it is!
An old roach carcass deep in their nest? But it wasn't the sight of the roach carcass that solved the mystery.
Let's see who got it correct.
I spotted feasting on it. OMG,
there it is!
AC family. The jawbreakers were culturing their springtails underground.
Yes!
This was sheer ant brilliance.
Alright!
I covered up the
7,000 watching.
To use it. AC family, this is
see, some of them got... Whoa, everyone's going crazy. You guys are mind blown. I know, right? I was mind blown too, filming it.
Just all underground.
See, everyone's going crazy. See, I can see in real time how they react to the video.
The springtails were much
That is awesome. Isn't that awesome, AC family? I know! Unbelievable. Mind blown, right, guys? And I love this. I love Premiere. I love this new function. I want to try to do this as often as possible.
Of incredible
okay, here's the cliffhanger. Oh.
There's a new plot of soil in the Antiverse.
Oh.
Which houses a few creatures that I'm positive you guys will truly marvel at.
They're going nuts. They're gonna go nuts.
Creatures majestic and epic.
Yes!
That I have yet to feature on this channel.
Guys, there are creatures in here.
To show you our new incubating creatures.
Here it is. Sorry, AC family. Next week! Boom! Yes! And they're all going nuts.
AC family, did you enjoy this week's episode? I can't wait to show you
so
our
gratifying.
new arrivals in the ant room. Guys.
And another week of ant video done. Hit that 2.5 days of work. Definitely worth it. Alright, Ligaya. Poor Ligaya. She's been waiting patiently there for me to finish. Just watching me. Okay. I'll sing to you. I'll sing. Oh, you're gonna poo. Okay. I got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I got the month of May. Oh yeah, I guess you'd say, what can make me feel this way? My bird, my bird, my bird, talking about my bird, my bird. Ooh. Yes. Why are you still up? Aren't you gonna sleep? Oh, you're hungry? I made formula earlier. No, I fed you already. How come you just want to eat and eat and eat? Good girl, Ligaya. Go to your bed. Sleep tight. I'll see you in the morning. We have somewhere fun to go tomorrow. I wonder where she's going. Yep, go to your bed. You know where it is. Go sleep. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Okay, for real, good night. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Time to sleep. Sleep, sleep, sleep. See you in the morning. Good morning, Mabuhay Squad. Yes, up bright and early. Look who's with us. The guy is here. There's our vegetables. Yes, yes. Oh, you wanna come? Wanna come on my shoulder? Okay. Alright. By the way, good morning out to Ellsie. RJ Garcia's there. Today is one of those days where we have a series of meetings. But cannot say what for. You know what I'm saying? Not yet. But I promise you guys will find out. Promise. She pooed. I'll just keep this here just in case she's got more ammunition to unload. Here just having breakfast, and Ligaya is just chilling out in her carrier. She just woke up right now because she heard the camera turn on, but she was sleeping earlier. Go sleep, you woke up early this morning. Okay guys, gotta let you go here, but I promise to show you guys what this is all about coming up in a future vlog. As soon as things are officialized, wish me luck guys. Okay, so we've had our meetings. I still can't say what it is, and I don't want to say what it is because, you know, don't want to jinx it. I have always believed in keeping your deepest dreams and desires to yourself, or maybe to your like closest friends or whatnot, or family, until they actually come true. So I'm not gonna say what it is yet. Promise, when things are official, you guys will be informed, which will probably be very, very soon. But it doesn't mean I can't sing random songs, right? So I'm gonna sing a random song off the top of my head. A dream is a wish your heart makes when you're fast asleep in dreams. I don't know the words here, just look it up on Google. Believe in your dreams, and someday a rainbow will come shining through. No matter how your heart is bleeding, if you keep on believing, the dream that you wish will come true. This is for us, Mabuhay Squad. Oh wow! Look at what Ate Ellsie did. Like headbands, but made of
Madrid di cacao.
Cacao?
Madrid di cacao.
Cacao tree ito? Oh my gosh, there's a cacao tree? Oh wow. Apparently there's a chocolate tree down there. I like it, galing. It's nice. Wow, Ligaya's on Ate Ellsie's shoulder. Wanna eat? You hungry? I thought so. Guys, joining us in these meetings is Dennis, our good friend. Hi Dennis.
Hi.
Yes. Guys, I can't tell you what Dennis does for a living because that would kind of give away what we're doing here. But promise, you guys will find out soon in a future vlog what all of this is about. Promise, promise. All right, we're back in the van, finished our meetings. Now RJ Garcia, when can we officially tell Mabuhay Squad what these secret meetings are about?
Well, after we sign the contract.
After we sign the contract. All right. I love what she did with her hair. It curled. It's like a natural curler, so that's why she took those leaves.
In the province. We put it there.
Wow, who needs a hairdresser when you could just grab from the cacao tree? Dennis, bye. Thank you so much. We will see more of Dennis in the coming days.
Thank you, bro.
Perhaps over the course of a year and a half. The guy is just chilling. Enjoying the car ride. Man. going on here? Mabuhay squad, we have a serious problem. Something very concerning right now. We're heading straight to the veterinarian. Don't panic. But I think something's wrong with Ligaya. Mabuhay squad, the problem is